Today, I'm going to remake a Bob Ross painting. Let's go!
Hi, I'm glad you could join me today. Today we're going to do a wonderful little painting, and I really think you're going to enjoy this one. So I tell you what, let's don't waste any time. Let's do maybe a little traditional painting with some mountains and pretty sky and maybe some water and who knows. Let's just do something and have a good time. Now then, you got to make your first big major decision. Where's your mountain live in your world? Maybe your mountain lives right there. Well, it sure does now.
Real trap shit.
Now, let's build some more trees. This will be our evergreen painting. We'll have a lot of evergreens in this one. So let's come right up here. We'll put a happy little evergreen right there. But let's come right over here. Maybe there's a tree. Right here. Well, I don't know. Wherever you want it. Got a friend right there. That's Clyde. He lives there. This is a painting that will teach you how to use all the equipment. And it's always one of the more popular things that we do, these mountains and evergreens. Everybody likes these. So on behalf of the entire staff, happy painting and God bless.
God damn, Bob. The technique Bob uses, it's called wet on wet. So while he's painting, the canvas is always wet. So the whole idea with this is you have to build up the paint as you go. As long as you put thicker paint on top of thinner paint, you'll be able to paint on wet paint without it running and bleeding together. Man, if I just did this the first time, would have been a lot less headaches. And I don't know, maybe it would have looked a little better, or who knows. It still came out cool the first time, but I definitely feel like I improved. And being able to work with the wet the entire time, it helped me blend the colors and move the paint around more. So I wasn't stuck with these layers that would dry up super quickly and then I have to paint over them if I fucked up. This time I was able to just move paint around because it was wet the entire time, and it helps a ton, man. So, you know, I'm learning every day. I'm trying to, at least. And thanks, Bob, for teaching me some things, man. You the man. Hope you guys like it. Let me know what you think. How did this one compare to the first one I did? And there is a third one coming up. And this is not going to be a solo one. I'm going to do it with Raina and Sim Fried Paints and myself and, of course, Bob. So get ready for the 4-way of the Bob Ross painting coming soon. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all I got for you. We out.
We out!
It's the motherfucking remix!